sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat dito and I'm so happy to be part of the new family and pick up coffee. Thank you again, Sir Francis, Mateo, the whole team, Mr. Miguel, everyone behind it. Thank you, Sabrina, for hosting. And I just want to say that I'm really glad there's an option now that's very affordable but doesn't compromise the premium espresso that we all crave for. So, maraming salamat sa Pick Up Coffee and can't wait to hold this part of the Pasig Store. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Once again, guys, Donnie Pangilinan, the newest endorser of Pick Up Coffee. So thank you again so much everyone for spending, of course, your Wednesday with us. Feel free again to use our hashtags. We have, ito na pala sa ating screen. Diba? So hashtag Donnie X Pick Up Coffee and hashtag It's Better.
Hello everyone! Thanks for showing up! Wow! Thank you guys so much for showing up. Hello! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. I love you guys. Thank you.
So once again, the newest member of Pick Up Coffee family, we have once again, Donnie Pangilinan! Alright, so Donnie is actually here aside from, joining the family as well as to show us why it is better Alright.
I would decide to pay for you, especially like Pick Up Coffee family. So lahat ng supporters ko naman dito, maraming salamat po. Bakit tayo happy birthday, Donnie, sa inyo. Thank you so much. This is like my advanced birthday celebration. Pick Up Coffee. But I'm just so glad to be here. We've kept it a secret for a while now. And I'm glad that it's finally out. And we're here.
Diba? So again, great shares. Parang feeling ko, dapat dito. Ayan. So that is right, Pick Up friends. You are inspired from Donnie Pangilinan himself. It's better, of course, it's better espresso. But of course, there's so much more to this campaign than its slogan. So right now, let us talk more about it. So guys, hindi lang naman si Donnie Pangilinan ang guwapo. Alam ang kakasama natin here on the stage. So let's welcome Pick Up Coffee's very own Philippine Marketing and we have Mateo.
Mateo.
Grabe yung mga, grabe guys. Ngayon, ayan na, nasa-stuck na ako. I don't know what to say. Parang na-mesmerize ako sa kanilang dalawa eh, no? Alright. Parang lahat sila nag-agree na naman. So anyway, hello to the both of you. How are you, Mateo?
Great. How are you?
I'm fine bigla. Speaking of guys, it's the Cafe Castilla that I had this morning. But anyway, so you know what?
Thank you to all our chaos and the friends who are here today. Maraming salamat guys for joining us. How tall am I now, guys?
Gano'n ba tangkad si Donnie?
6'1". Ayun, dito yung mga OG fans.
Kanina ka pa talaga na. Alright. So anyway, so Donnie is 6'1", no? Ayan, 6'1" si Donnie sa mga nagtatanong. Lalong-lalo na sa mga fans niya also, may mga banners din tayo up there. So, okay, as Donnie mentioned, Mateo, that it is better espresso. Can you elaborate more about it?
Thank you, for sure. I said earlier, the list of surprisingly affordable beverages everywhere. And this campaign, it's better espresso campaign, is a testament to that. When we talk about this,
we make our cups of coffee freshly ground, freshly boiled, with every single cup, made to order. You make it with 100% Arabica beans. And each cup doesn't have just one shot of espresso, but 2 shots of espresso, which is giving you that kick that Donnie mentioned in the video earlier. Just the right amount of kick. And each cup of coffee, really, each cup of pickup coffee is made with castle.
Pag-isipan ko.
Pag-isipan ba?
Handa.
Alright, that's good. For sure, handa ka. But this, you know what, this is just so easy. I mean, what made you decide, of course, to join the Pickup Coffee family? I mean, we saw your shoot, your campaign, and I can definitely tell that you had fun. But you know, anything in particular that excites you about working with Pickup?
Wow. So many things excite me about working with Pickup. Yes, you mentioned the shoot. That was so fun to shoot. Actually, si Mateo nandun siya, their whole team.
Hindi ko siya yung ano, sige na, mag-kick ka.
Oo, ikaw nagsabi nun, di ba, na kailangan mag-kick ng gano'n. Donnie, kaya mo ba? Ginawa mo, sabi nila, ay, kaya. And what I love about the Pickup Coffee team, they're also a young group, and we were able to share our ideas, collaborate, and it really felt like, you know, I was with people who really shared the same purpose and shared the same goal. My fans actually know this, my supporters know this. Pre-pandemic, I wasn't really a coffee drinker. I learned to love it. I learned to love it not just as a way to wake up during shoots, but also like to drink casually. And we really would order Pickup Coffee as a team during that time. Pero secretly lang, syempre, wala naman sinasabi. What I love about Pickup Coffee is because it's premium espresso, you would expect it to be expensive. You expect it to be kind of hard on the bank account, or not for your average person to buy, which sucks, because everyone deserves to have good coffee. But with Pickup Coffee, everyone can enjoy 100% Arabica beans, premium espresso at an affordable price. So when I also met the team, and the welcome was such an amazing experience, it just felt like good vibes. I was like, this is a great team to work with, and I'm glad with what we've come up with so far and can't wait for the next part of our partnership.
Yeah, I mean, for sure, everyone is just so excited, di ba? And shout out, of course, to our Pickup Mateo. Ikaw naman yung tatanungin ko this time. So, what made Pickup Coffee choose Donnie naman as its newest endorser? Gusto ko yung side comment siya. Oo nga, ano ba?
Sabi niya, oo nga, sabi ko. No, there's many reasons. There are an infinite amount of reasons why Donnie should be our endorser. He's authentic, he's sincere, he's charismatic. He's very much fit to our brand and our mission. But personally, one of the biggest reasons why we love that Donnie is now part of the Pickup family is because of his ability to uplift the people around him. That's something we're very big on in Pickup Coffee, being able to uplift to our beverages, and who is able to uplift others like Donnie Pangilinan. Guys, diba? Do you agree?
Yes! But that's so true. I mean, I can definitely agree with you. Di ba, pagkakatayin pa lang, for the very first time, di ba, kasi, di ba, kapag nakita mo si Donnie on now, tapos parang yung kilig ko ngayon, parang 10 times, parang yung chart talaga yun, yan, parang it draws attention. So just like, of course, our Pickup Coffee beverages as well. So speaking of, you know, connections, drawing attention, Donnie, now that you're officially part of the family, I think everyone is dying to know what's been your go-to pickup.
My go-to pickup. You know, we did a lot of taste testing, especially during our shoot, so I've tried a lot. Everything is really good. Don't worry guys, iikot ako dyan mamaya. Iikot ako dyan. Alam ko medyo malayo kayo dito, so ako gusto ko punta dyan. Kapala sa inyo. My favorite will have to be, well, again, everything is really good. It's perfect mix of variety of flavors, premium espresso, but I would have to go with Cafe Castilla. I was just drinking it a while ago before going down, that's real. And I think it's just perfect, it's super easy to drink, it's a favorite for and before an event or if I just want to drink coffee, that's probably my go-to. Cafe Castilla.
Oh, sino dito yung mga Cafe Castilla enjoyers? Let us know.
Gusto ko lang sabihin, ang dami nagtatag sa akin na umiinom sila ng pick-up coffee. Maraming salamat na nakita namin lahat yun. And what I love about pick-up coffee, it's everywhere. So no matter where you are here in the country, you can order it and it will be within like probably a couple of kilometers or miles away from you. So maraming salamat for bringing us all around the country, pick-up coffee. And special shout out din kay Sir Francis na nandito. Thank you. Ay, nakabala yung spotlight sa natin. Maraming salamat po. Uy, si Direk, Miguel. Thank you, Direk.
Alright, since we've been talking about that pickup coffee, the balance between quality with being so accessible, you know what, Donnie, I would like to ask, how does pickup coffee's promise of affordability and accessibility resonate with you? I mean, with that kind of messaging.
No, like I said a while ago, I think everyone deserves to have premium coffee. And paano yung sigaw? Parang
Ako natin sa pizza.
ay, dito pala, hello! Hello po! Maraming salamat po. Mapapawas ka na din, ha? Thank you, thank you. Well, I would say, because a lot of my supporters, some of them are still students, some of them just started working, you know, we really have to maximize where we put our funds, our budget. And what I love is that with Pick Up Coffee, it's not, hindi siya masakit sa bank, and it won't hurt your pockets to be able to enjoy quality. And when we did the whole campaign, when I found out that it was 100% Arabica beans, nandun pa rin siya nakapack. They'll only do bean to cup when it's already ordered. Oh, totoo yun, di ba? When it's ordered, doon sila maglalanglas ng mga beans nila. That's when you know that you're working with a great company.
Pasado ba? Pasado yung answer. Tama.
This is not even part of that. It is completely gone. So, that's a while ago why Donnie. Donnie really goes above and beyond.
Yeah. Interesting. Alright, but what about you, Mateo? I mean, what do you hope, lalong-lalo na we have, like a lot of supporters who are here today. What do you hope your Pickup friends, take away from this campaign?
I think Donnie brushed on this earlier, but he mentioned accessibility. So I think for me, is that a delicious, a really delicious, uplifting cup of coffee. It's just one pick of coffee away, right? Premium espresso in every cup. 300 branches nationwide. Starts at 50 pesos only. So there's really nothing stopping you from elevating your coffee experience.
Alright, I like the answers, ha? Kayo ba, guys? Nagustuhan niyo na ba yung mga answers? Of course, ni Donnie and Mateo? Alright! But anyway, ito naman, this is your last question. So this is for Donnie. If you could share a cup of Pick Up Coffee with anyone, who would it be and why?
If I could share a cup with anyone,
Sino po ang bakit?
it would have to be with everyone here right now. Nasa Tagalan. Lahat ng tao na nandito. I would share one with them because I know how much, these guys have to go through also. They've been waiting for a while. They've been supporting me throughout these years, and the least I can do is share a cup with them. So that would probably be my answer.
Aww, sweet naman doon. Parang, syempre kasi Sandro, nakakakilig talaga. But anyway, thank you so much, of course, for answering questions from our friends who are here today. So actually, Donnie, as you know, everyone in the crowd wrote down their answers to the question, what is Donnie's favorite pickup? On their fan banner. So, upon entering, meron nga silang banners. Tapos, i-write down na din yung mga answers nila. With that, can we all see the banners? Can we raise them? I mean, as high as we can so that we can see all of the pickup banners.
3 people from around here
Yeah.
that we will make a room for, or what something to do. Okay.
It's come here on stage later.
Okay.
Pero parang kung meron pa tayong gagawin.
Ano gagawin?
Ano ba gagawin natin? Anyway, we have here our espresso bar, and I heard, Donnie, you've been practicing your espresso brewing skills, am I right?
Yes, we did practice, especially during the shoot. Marami kami ginawa doon.
Talaga? Okay, what else pa did you do yung shoot na yun? Aside from, kicking, practicing.
Puro kwento tayo doon.
Puro kwento.
Having fun.
Having
Bonding.
fun. Alright. So anyway, you know what? Let's just, get started. I'm pretty sure everyone would love to.
Okay.
Of course.
Before I do that, can I just read more? Let's go there. Siguro I can read more of it. Can you put up your banners? Let's read more of this stuff. O, panagaba muna tayo. Good luck. Wala pa pag yung
Tony! Maria!
Dito tayo. Ice Americano. Mario Sanz. Kape Castilla. Kape Castilla.
Atras! Tumumba na to.
Kape Mestizo.
Uy! Bakit na? Meron pa ganun sa Pinoy?
Okay, at least alam natin yung mga sagot.
Alright! So thank you so much for writing down all your answers. Now it's time, of course,